Welcome everyone to Triple Forex, your educational channel and your own market analysis channel. So welcome to the market analysis. As you see before you, the chart displayed is GBPJPY. It's what we are going to be looking at and analyzing it. Purposes of the opening week, which will be a Monday. So welcome everyone. Remember to subscribe, like and share, for this will be helpful to you and helpful to someone out there. So I want you to take this moment to subscribe to the channel and like, and proceed forth with the analysis with me. Just give you 5 seconds to do that. So welcome everyone. We are looking at GBPJPY and we are going to analyze the market. We're going to do market structure analysis. We are doing the top-down analysis at this moment. Right now before me is pound JPY. If we see the general trend of the market, just the general trend, we see this market has been on a downtrend because we had this impulse, but now we are in a form of consolidation. Market is consolidating, but we want to take advantage of this consolidation where the market is at the moment to help us have proper entries in the week. One thing you have to do as a trader is to have an overview of the market. Let us see on the weekly. What does the market do? Weekly. Just a second as the chart loads. The chart is loading. Yes. It's taking really a while to load. Taking a while to load. It's taking a while to load. But what you would see here, okay, let us use the data we have at the moment. What we see here, we see this market is on a downtrend. This is on the weekly. But let us go to the daily. It should give us proper information of what we should do in this market. We see the market is in a downtrend. We can take advantage of the short-term moves of the market. Yes, can take advantage of the short-term moves in the market. So right now we are on the day. You see the market is on a downtrend, but we want to take advantage of where it is currently to help us take short-term trades. This will help us take short-term trades. We take advantage of where the market is at the moment. Alright, so we see this market has been moving in the channel. I hope you all see this channel. Has been moving in the channel. This channel. So you want to take advantage of this channel. Here to see market has been moving in this channel. So given this channel, we have our levels from which as well market respected. We have this level. I hope we all see it. At the same time, we have also this level. You see, market touched this point, it touched this point, it touched this point, and bounced. They all bounced back. Market touched this point, was a reversal upwards, touched this point, reversal, touched this point, little bit of reversal, but broke through. But still, qualifies it to be pretty a strong level for us to take advantage of. So if we are to zoom in, we see that the market broke out from this resistance area at this point where you see my cursor. When it broke out, it retraced. So market's opening tomorrow, which is Monday, we expect a continuation of this market up to this point. So for anyone who would be involved in this trade, it would be time to buy. But like you, we do only a market analysis, so this information is not a signal service that you should trade what I tell you, but you should also carry out your own analysis, because I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm just here to just guide you in information to help you in your skill set. You can also analyze by yourself. So what do we see? We see that the market could be heading upwards, and this would help us to buy in the upcoming week. So if one was buying, we'll be buying the take profit would be around this area, stop loss around this. That's how you would buy up to around this area of resistance. Hope we all see it, of resistance. This is on the daily, but if you drop on the 4-hour chart, this is a big move. It's quite a big move in the market, and one has would take advantage of. So you would buy up to this point. Say your entry would be around there, and your stop loss would be around there. Take advantage of that, then you would enter the market. But this is after analysis. You can't take advantage of the market without analyzing it. So the first point of a trader is to do proper analysis. And after doing proper analysis, take the trade. But even though your analysis is right and the market goes wrong against you, you still have faith in your analysis. But it's suicidal to do a wrong analysis, the market goes in your direction, it will be your gambling. Rather, the market goes the wrong direction but your analysis is right. But most chances are, if your analysis is right, the market in most cases will obey your direction. I want to stop this video from here. Thanks for watching, everyone. It's Triple Forex. Remember to subscribe, to share, click that like button to also encourage me to produce more informational videos to guide us through this journey all together. Thank you, everyone. Wish you a profitable week. Triple Forex, forever your educational channel.